Hello from Slovenia again. I will experiment a little more with this taped cup in a zigzag way. I don't know, I just taped it weirdly. And I will do a straight pour today and see what will happen, if it will create kind of a feathery effect or something. I kind of hope so. And I will talk about colors while I will pour them. This is gold. This is some pigment, Slovenian brand, mixed with a little bit of heavy gel gloss, and then pouring medium. Sorry, I was thinking about the order and I was just, this is Cadmium Red Hue by Pebeo. This is Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. We'll just put my colors here. This is Carmine Red. And I will add a little black for the contrast here. And don't necessarily want gold next to it, so I will go with white. This is just titanium white. And gold again. And I will just repeat this layering. Carmine, red, violet. It's Valentine's coming in, so I picked some reds today. And gold, black again. I will not add a lot of black, just to hopefully add a little drama to this gold. And red. And red violet. And carmine. And black. And I will stop right here. Where I want to pour, I will kind of go here and I will wander around a little bit. And I didn't even think about this problem that maybe some drips will fall down because of that. You see, those three here. Really didn't think about that. I will pour a little bit of white here up for a flow extender. My hand is shaking today. I'm just thinking to do something with this part here, so I'll just kind of go like that, maybe. I'm not a big fan of those drips. Kind of think that this will be my orientation, so I will just do this and check my... Okay, I'm in frame. Okay, I will pour off a little bit of this first. I'll go kind of a zigzag. So I tilted most of that part off that were drips that I didn't like, and now I will zigzag it towards that side. Want to keep that black negative space. I don't think that there is any difference because of that, except for those drips that just want to tilt this part off. Composition wise, and I see a blob of paint somewhere that I have to take out. There is something in there. Yeah. I kind of wonder if I want a little bit of this off, but I don't want to lose that composition, so I will just leave it like it is. It's a cool, dramatic piece. Okay, so let's torch that. Everything goes wrong in my studio today. Don't know why. Check the corners. And I did a thing here that I didn't mean to, so I will just add a little paint. As I said, my hands are shaking lately. Okay, so here she is, very dramatic one, but I love it. This permanent red violet will not be as violet when dry. I will show you the dried results somewhere next weekend because it's Friday and you will watch this on Friday. But I love it. It came out beautiful, not a big difference with taping the top, but still very beautiful, dramatic painting for my taste. Tell me what you think about it, and thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!